how to turn off safe chat on Roblox, or you can just call it how to turn off safe chat in Roblox in 2022. You have found the correct video for this topic. Now, you probably found this video because you typed in how to turn off safe chat. Well, good luck, because you've clicked on the right video, because in today's video I'll be teaching you how to pretty much turn off safe chat on Roblox. Now, obviously this is for people under 13, or well, how to turn off safe chat 13 plus pretty much, because obviously if you got safe chat on, it can be very annoying. Like, I know the pain, obviously, because obviously if you have safe chat on, you can't say much stuff. And the annoying thing is that when you're not even saying anything that bad, they could easily just hashtag it. Like, even if you say numbers, they can just get hashtags. Like, why? Like, I don't understand why. So obviously safe chat, it's so annoying. Like, honestly, like, yes, it can be helpful, but at the same time it's very annoying. Like, honestly, I would just recommend about, like, if you are gonna sign up to another account, just bloody what do you call it, guys? Just lie about your age. But honestly, if you can't change your age at all, I'll be teaching you guys how to change your age on Roblox if your account is like counted as under 13, because obviously once you're under 13 you automatically have safe chat on, but if you're over 18, like, you will have safe. Well, if you're over 30, actually, you will have safe chat on. Now, I will show some proof right here that yeah, so I even have voice chat as well. And look, 13 plus filtering. Now, obviously I'm over 13, obviously, and I even got voice chat as well from doing this method. And I did not even verify. I'm not even 18. Like, I'm literally 16 right now. So it's quite insane. Like, you can do this method, but it only works if you subscribe to this channel. So if you're new to this video right now, if you're watching, this only works if you press the big red subscribe button on my channel, because I founded this method and yeah, it still works. So if you're watching, it still works. Now, I am happy for you to do this without subscribing, but all I'm going to say is it won't work, the method. So you can do it without it, but it won't work. So you have to subscribe. It only works if you subscribe. But yeah, anyway, let's just get right into the video. So now you may be asking, what do I do then? Like, what do I do? So obviously I'm on my PC. Now, this works on your phone, it can work on your Xbox, you name it, it works on all devices. But obviously I'm on my PC because it's the most popular. So what you guys want to do from here is to just go down to the bottom right here. Now, you can do this for your mobile as well, but obviously you got to find the same place. So first thing you guys want to do is press help right here. But can you press help here as well? Yeah, you can press help right here as well. So on this, if you go to the settings logo right here, the settings, press this right here, and look, there should be like something that says help. So press this right now, press help right there, and yeah, so they see all this stuff right here. Like, you can do all sorts. You can like search articles, like you can do all sorts. Really, you can do that if you guys want to. Yeah, you name it, it's on it. So anyway, so you should be brought to something like this on your device. So now what I'm going to do from here is to go, just press on any article, press on any of these little articles, it doesn't really matter, and then randomly just go into one of these forums. So right here, so quick login, and look, they all have this thing right here that says need more help, contact support here. Right here, let me just show it right here. It should say something like this on all of them right here. If you guys look right here, look closely to the bottom right there. If you look at the bottom right there, should be quite easy right there. Need more help, contact support here. Now, it's always above this, was this article helpful? So we are of course going to press this right here. And look, guys, you should be brought to a page looking like this. So obviously, now this automatically filled my username in, but if it hasn't, put your username in. Now, it does say optional, but you have to put your username in for this case, because obviously some people might just ask Roblox like a support chat for something that's nothing to do with their account. So this is why it says optional. But for this case, for this type of like request that we're doing, you need to put your username in. So put your username in. Make sure you spell it right as well. Make sure you spell it right. No spelling mistakes. First name doesn't really matter too much really. I would just recommend to do it because why not? Email address. Now I would recommend to put in your email address for your Roblox account. But if you don't have an email address, do not worry. Just put any random. Just put gibberish in. So if you don't have one, just put in like and just do this and then at gmail.com. Just put that in, and obviously you confirm email address. Just you can just copy and paste it if you guys want to right here, right there. But yeah, it's up to you guys. So anyway, so put your email address in. I don't know why it says this right here. I don't know. Anyway, issue details. What device are you having a problem on? Now, right here, so I am going to put PC, but obviously it doesn't really matter too much. Just put in whatever device you're doing this on right now, just put it to that. So I could easily just put my device at Amazon, but obviously don't forget that it's not specifically on like a game or whatever, or like a problem with the actual device. It's more of a problem on Roblox itself. So you can put any device you want on. You can literally put Amazon device if you guys want to, or Xbox. And yeah, so type of help category. So we are of course having problems with safechat. So obviously it's got to do with age or chat and age. And right here, change child age setting. Or there's also adjust child privacy, and there's also security settings. So we are going to put change child age right there. I keep getting mixed up. I was actually about to say change child age settings. I don't know why. I read both at the same time. I don't know why, but so put this in right here. So I am the parent of, and then put your username in, and make it really formal as well. Put some commas in there. Now, obviously, don't put this right here. Put your username in. So let's just say your username's Bob. Just put Bob. But so yeah, don't put the brackets in either. So username. I am writing to say because he is actually over, or she is actually over 13 plus and not. And then say if you put your setting on your account to like 2010 obviously, so that will make you 12 years old. So and is not actually 12. It was a mistake from the start by accident and we need it changing right here. So yeah, it's quite simple actually right there. So you just pretty much submit that and you wait around a few hours and you'll get back. Once you load up Roblox again, it should say change, it should pop up a notification saying change your age, and you can put it to whatever age you want. So yeah.